I have a Honda Civic here. This one got popped right in this structure right here, and it actually caused a buckle. It might be kind of hard to see in the video, but this piece is actually buckled right here. It collapsed whenever that got hit and caused this to fold up. So there's really no way to repair that properly. So I have a new part. Then I also have this new box piece right here, because this is folded up right in here, folded in the back, folded right here. However, in order to be able to replace this piece, being it goes back behind here, I have to also cut off this outer upper rail cap. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this one and start cutting all the structure out. Then I'll start fitting the new parts up.